Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. So, today we're going to continue with our project. So, here we had completed a little bit in our earlier live streams. So, if you're wondering what you're building, quick recap. Um, we're trying to build an AI powered, you know, competitive exams, you know, trainer kind of thing, right? Mm, so, you can come here and you can just practice questions, and the questions are going to be generated dynamically by the AI, and it is going to be curated depending on your level. It's just going to be uh, the level is going to go up and down depending on your answers, right? So as you can see, this is how far we have come so far, like, you know. So this is all what you've built so far. This is where you get the questions, you can practice them, you can give the response, right? You can submit your answer and then you get an analysis, right? I hope the audio is clear. By the way, if that is the case, then please do let me know. I will just continue with with the live stream. Um, so this is how it is so far. Right. This is where there are questions, and here there is a pattern analytics, right? Uh, Not analytics, it's analysis, right? So here you can just come here and analyze uh, based on the subject. It's not fully built yet, this part, uh, but then once it is built, it's gonna look more better and the functionality will be more clear. Um, so let's just keep going. I'm not going to go too much deeper into this now. So that's how it looks so far. Uh, let's continue. Uh, Before that, I will need the prompt. All right. Uh, for 3C, 3B is completed, phase 3B is completed, and the tests are done. But before doing 3C, let me give a prompt. Um, I don't know. This is also quite long, right? Oh no, this. Let's see. Okay, this is not that long. This is for the backend architecture. Okay, development test. So, all right. Okay, this may not take that long. Let's try to do this now. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please do ask me in the live chat. So this is going to get started. All right. By the way, I'll just give you a quick overview of what backend stuff we did so far. So we got the Gemini API for the AI. So we have put that in, and let me just allow this. What is it asking here? Uh, okay, all right. So while this is going on, let me know what project you're currently building. If you're watching right now, just let me know. So what is this? Okay, so it is for the port, all right? So our goal is for the questions to be adapted, right? So that is our main goal. Based on the user's answers, right? The questions difficulty should dynamically decrease or increase. So that is our most important thing. Uh, Here, okay, here it's handling an exception. Okay. Do you notice like This prompt is not even that large, and it is still taking some time, right? I think it is almost done. Not sure. Okay, now it's working on the post. Okay. Generation test. Okay. Right. Now, how many lines of code it has been so far? That's quite interesting, actually. That would be interesting to know, right? How many lines of code we have generated so far. So I think it's done, right? Um, yeah, we can see whatever is done. Generation service. Okay. Generate question. Okay. So those are the tests that have been passed. Okay. It is testing this as well because I have told it explicitly about this part. So that's all right. Okay. Um. Okay. So everything is good, right? Uh. So now maybe we will have to check it again. Let's see if there is anything visibly that we can see that has changed, or it's probably just the backend stuff. Even if it's some of the backend that has changed, we will be able to know. Okay, I don't see anything here. I don't see anything here. Looks the same. Here, not much, I think. When I import questions, insert sample PYQ. Okay, this is where we need it to be like we should be able to insert PDF, right? PDF format that is there. Now currently accepts only JSON, which is not what we want. Uh, Here, I don't know what this is for, but we'll get to know it soon, I think, because currently doesn't do much. Here also there's nothing. Maybe this is going to be after we attend. Let's see what happens if we complete a quiz, right? Let me just attend a few questions and then see what happens. Are we able to analyze or not? Let's see. Okay. Just going to give random answers, not reading anything. Let's just give some answers. All right, okay, I think here is the 10th question. I'm just going to give all random. Okay, next is next. Okay, it just keeps coming, I think, or will it ever stop? Uh, let's see. No, it does stop. Okay, that is good. All right, so after this, it says view results. Okay, let me view results. Confirm and submit. All right. So result is there. Okay. So that is good. But then, okay. But then what happens if overview? What is overview? Okay. Okay. It goes back to this page. AI patterns. Can I see anything? I know. I don't know. Analyzing. What does this do? That's what I want to know. Let me just see. Should I just wait? I think I'll just wait. Okay, something has been done here. Okay, filter subject. Let's try DBMS first. Okay, full AI profile. Okay, not bad. So it's giving common student traps and pitfalls as well. By the way, this is AI as well. Like this is coming from the AI, I think. I don't think this is mock data or anything. Let's just cross check that. This is coming from the AI model. This you can do reanalyze. Okay, this is not bad. So this is going to come for every question, I think. This looks good, but this is not question. Okay, this is a question, I guess. Um, but then it's just taking a particular pattern from let's check for TOC. Okay, there is TOC. Okay. So it's taking a particular pattern from various type of questions, right? Yeah. So okay, it's not actual. It's not an actual question, but then it takes the pattern itself from different questions. like a common pattern, right? And then it gives the analysis for that. That's good. And again, this is from the AI. All right, that's not bad. That's quite good. Yeah. So I think, yeah, that's pretty much what it does. The more PYQs and the more questions it has, right? The better this becomes. Um, yeah, that makes sense, right? If you're here, just drop a hi. I don't know how many people are watching right now, but then I hope you're enjoying this stream. I think we'll just proceed to the next task and then let's see how next task. I mean, I don't think I see anything visibly different after um 3C2. Okay. Was this 3C2? This is 3C1, right? Okay, now this is 3C2. Let's complete this. Okay, now this here. Generate one question at a time. Use Gemini. Okay, this is something that's going to you're going to see something different visibly, right? So this, let's see this. Let's try this. After this, it's going to be actually different. You're going to see actual changes after this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's see what it does. Okay, service. Okay, Okay, this is taking longer, right? But we'll have to be patient. Okay. Somehow, finally, we have completed this. Okay, let's read out this stuff. Um, okay. Yeah, it's done. I just want to check how many lines of code we have written so far. So let's just ask that. That's it, I think. Truncated. Okay. So total lines there are the code itself is about 7,800 lines, including the test. It becomes about 8,800. So 1,000 extra lines, right? Along with the test. Okay, let's check how it is now. I'm going to refresh. Let's start this. These are not new questions, right? I think these are the questions that was already there. I don't know where the new questions are implemented. Where exactly are the new questions? Because I don't see any new questions over here. These are the questions that were there before, right? Um, Let me check. Didn't understand that. What happened? I don't see any new questions here. These are the questions that were already there, right? What happens if we submit? Does it change? Next question. No, it does not. These are the same questions that are already there. Hmm. I think still it has not been implemented to the front end. It's just verifying with the back end. Okay, anyway, that's fine. We'll stop it there for now. Otherwise, it will be too much for just one day. Okay. Huh. All right, so that's how it looks so far. Anyway, we'll just end it there for today. Uh, yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this live stream. Uh, and if you did, please do consider subscribing to the channel and also share it with your friends. Um, yeah, meet you on the next live stream. Um, until then.